In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your YouTube watch history on an iPhone or any mobile device. We'll look at doing this two different ways. The first is to go through and delete certain videos from our watch history one by one. This is good if you just want to remove a couple videos, maybe because of privacy or maybe to adjust what YouTube is recommending to you. The other way we'll look at is by deleting all your watch history. And while we're doing that, I'll show you how to pause YouTube from saving anything in the future. Deleting your YouTube watch history is a little different when deleting on a mobile device versus doing it on a computer in a web browser. YouTube puts the options inside of a simple history tab on the web, but buries it inside of your mobile app settings on your phone. To find and delete your YouTube search history, first open the app and make sure that you're signed into your account. To delete certain videos individually, tap Library on the bottom right of the page. At the top, you'll see your Recents banner, and directly under that, you'll see History. Choose that. Now you'll see a list of all your YouTube watch history. To delete a video, just tap the three dots to the right of the video and choose Remove from Watch History. It will then remove it from your list. You can then go through and do this for any other video that you want to remove. But if we want to clear our entire search history, we need to go to another screen. A shortcut from here is to select the three dots on the top right of the screen and then choose History Controls. If you didn't go through the history page though, from the main page, tap your profile icon on the top right of the page. Inside of the profile menu, choose Settings. Now inside of here, you'll see History and Privacy in the middle of the page. Choose that. Here's where we can find our watch history options. To clear everything, tap Clear Watch History at the top. It will then let you know that by doing this, you'll be removing your watch history from all devices that you're signed into. Your video recommendations will also be reset, adjusting what YouTube will automatically recommend to you. When you're ready, confirm by choosing Clear Watch History again. It will then remove all your YouTube history. And last, if you don't want YouTube to keep track of your views from now on, you can stop it by choosing Pause Watch History. You'll then get a pop-up letting you know that by doing this, you won't be able to find past watched videos, and you won't be getting as many personalized video recommendations. It also reminds you that by doing this, you're not deleting anything in the past, so you'd still need to do that if you want. Hit pause and you're all set. And that's how you pause, delete individual or all YouTube watch history on a mobile device.